Good morning from Lima. It's a little before 7 o'clock on a Sunday morning. There's nobody out but me and people walking and jogging and taking their dogs out for their morning excursions. Keeping with my usual concerns about mask wearing, even though hardly anyone's here, I'm still wearing my mask. I'm in the famous Parque del Mar. You can see the statue behind me and give you an idea of what this park is all about. It's a beautiful place, one of the most famous, if not the most famous park in Peru. Yesterday afternoon I walked along the beach for a while. Lots of surfers down on the playa Intihuatana. I didn't do any talking because I'm still not quite comfortable vlogging, talking into the camera with a lot of people around, but it was fun. Got some beautiful video. Hope you can enjoy that a little bit too, and that's how I think I'll finish up this little vlog from Miraflores.
Ahí saqué la mierda, ¿sí o no?